Here's how to take the report or research you've written in Microsoft Word and instantaneously generate a complete PowerPoint presentation from them using Microsoft Copilot. The slides will have text, images, and style and layouts and even speaker notes. To do this, open a new PowerPoint presentation. Click on the Copilot icon above the default slide and press Create a Presentation from a File. This will auto-complete a prompt for you in the Copilot tab inside PowerPoint. Now we just need the Word document to create the PowerPoint slides from. Unfortunately, there is no option to drag in or upload the file into PowerPoint. So what we have to do is upload the Word doc to OneDrive, and then get the link to that doc in OneDrive and paste it in this Copilot chat. So I'm going to go to my OneDrive, press Create or Upload File, select Files Upload, and then select my report Word doc. Once the file is uploaded, right-click on it and press Share. Then press Copy Link. Now go back to the PowerPoint and paste in the OneDrive link in the Copilot chat and press Send. Copilot will start generating an outline for the presentation and then begin to draft the individual slides. About a minute later, you will have a complete PowerPoint slide deck for your report or research. It may not be 100% to your requirement, but it is a great starting point and time saver.